The noise in the background is the military base. There's like this one, and then there's like a couple, like two mothers with, the one has one, and the other one has two fawns, I think, something like that. They're getting bigger. Dude, this deer is so beautiful, like, I'm telling you, it's so cool. Like, I've gotten really pretty close to this deer. And she just looks at you with these, like, innocent eyes, like, beautiful eyes, like, hi, how are you? Swatting the bugs away with her white tail. She's backing a little bit. I'm gonna try to get her when she comes out. But yeah, she makes her rounds, like she goes all around the yard on the outskirts there.